Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Xbox Series S Pro Guide step by step clearly. Start by unpacking your Xbox Series S from its box. Remove the console, power cable, and controller from the packaging. Position the console in a well-ventilated area, ensuring it's on a flat surface. Connect the power cable to the back of the console. Plug the other end of the power cable into a wall outlet. Next, take the HDMI cable and connect one end to the console. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your TV or monitor. Turn on your TV or monitor and select the correct HDMI input. Press the power button on your Xbox Series S to turn it on. Once the console is powered up, follow the on-screen instructions to begin setup. Select your language and region preferences. You will be prompted to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password as needed. Once connected, the console will check for updates. Allow the updates to install. This may take a few minutes. After the updates are complete, you will be asked to sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly on the console. Once signed in, you'll have the option to set up your privacy settings. Review and adjust the privacy settings according to your preference. You may also be asked if you want to enable cloud saves, which is recommended. After completing these steps, the console will finish the setup process. You can customize your home screen layout and other preferences if desired. Now, insert the game or access the game library to start playing. Congratulations, your Xbox Series S is fully set up and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.